Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A little blend tip that you might not be aware of. I don't hardly ever use this blend tool, but if I blend from there to there, and then I want to go from there to there, if I grab this line, it just takes the blend over there. But if I grab the outer side of that blend, it'll move over there. Outer side of the blend, outer side of the blend. You can even go back to the original. Now, they're all pretty bubbly blends, and I don't think we could do them all at one time. And I could have set it to make it, let's make it 60 and get some smoother blends. And you might not want them all the same. You know, that kind of looks cool, but, and there's probably a way I could have set that as default to be 60 to begin with. But that's a pretty cool little trick that you could draw a lot with. And the way it looks, never even thought about it actually interlocking because we went over that one and under that one. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.